Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. So I'm up here on the roof right now. Woo. So went ahead and poked these wires up from downstairs from Friday. So Nick worked on these, and then I mounted these plates, drilled a hole, so that'll be some support for the boxes that we will be mounting up here between the studs. As you can see, the studs are right there and right there. So there's 4 of these, and there's 2 more to do tomorrow, assuming that we get to it. There's another one over here, and there's another couple around that I probably won't show you, but I'll show you downstairs what we got done as far as this. So I'll go show you that real quick. So yeah. Alright guys, if you remember, the wire was sitting right here. Got that finished. Me and Nick will tackle that. Nick mostly did it. So I ran that wire down here and then turned the corner. I lost it, but it goes through the ceiling here, along the ceiling here, and then I'm not sure if it fell down out over here or not. Sorry, I'm walking everywhere. It's kind of just chilling right here, so strap that up, I guess, a little bit later, either to that beam and over there. I think it fell down a little bit, but got all the way strapped up to there, so that's pretty good. And then I'll show you the other ones. And then next I went ahead and had Nick run a couple of these jumpers, the ones that I just showed you on the roof, on the west side. So one going up to the right side, and this one goes up to the left side. That was a 12, the other 12 that I ran last week. Going back to the orange 4x4 junction box. And then the rest of the day was just working on these HVAC disconnect switches, the double pole toggle switches. So Nick was working on that one. Then I finished these other 2. So there's 20 of these units. So there's still 17 left to go. So it's going to be a while. All right, everyone, that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it once again. I'm still happy about the fact that I reached 3,000, and I'm doing the 3,000 subscriber giveaway a few videos back. If you want a chance to win $40, go ahead and check that out. I'll probably head over to the house in a little bit, and I did just lock in a house loan or some options for a house loan. So I can either pick a 15-year, 20-year, or a 30-year house loan at a set point, and I'll probably go over that later. So anyways, look forward to a house video probably later today or tomorrow at the latest, and that should do it, guys. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. See you guys back in the next one. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out. And lastly, the voting for Joanne has ended, so I won't be bugging you with that anymore. Thank you to everyone who helped me out. I greatly appreciate it. So hopefully she will be winning. They will announce the winner here in a couple of days at the breakfast event that they were going to have in New York, basically where she lives. But yeah, so I think a few people are going to donate, so hopefully that pushes her over the top and she wins. Thank you guys once again for all your support. It greatly means a lot to me that you guys will help me out with certain things in life when I ask you to. So I just, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. All right, guys, peace out.